Welcome to another Kushti Crypto video. Today we've got a instructional video on how to make a multi-sig wallet. Now if you don't know what a multi-signature wallet is, it's basically a wallet that requires multiple people to sign it. An example where this would be beneficial would be if you are in a team of 10 and you require all of those 10 people to sign a transaction to move funds in a wallet. Or you could set it so 6 people have to sign, so then the majority want to move funds. Another example could be parents having a wallet for the child. That's the example that I'm going to be using. Or you could just have it for yourself for extra security, so if someone compromises your private keys, they would then have to have the second lot of private keys for funds to be moved. It just adds another layer of security. The main reason why I'm making this video is because Chris on Twitter has put out a bounty for someone to make a video explaining how to make a multi-sig wallet on ERGO. Thanks a lot for doing that, Chris, putting up that bounty. Maybe as a community we could come together and create a pool of money that could go to content creators that gets voted on for people's videos on certain topics. And Chris is also built on top of ERGO. I'll leave all links down below to Chris's Twitter and his project down below. So I require your vote for the 300 ERG, which is a fair amount of money, and I need that right now. Please vote for me. Please vote for me. I've been here from the beginning. I've made many tutorial videos. You vote for me, yeah? Right, let's go. So first of all, you're going to want to create 2 wallets. I've called the one on the PC Daddy and the one on my Android Mummy. Next up, we need to add a multi-sig wallet. This is going to be called our child. And here you can choose how many cosigners you want. So you could have 20 cosigners and then 11 of them need signatures. So then the majority can choose to send funds. So for the sake of this, we're going to go with 2, and so 2 people, and we're going to need those 2 signatures from Mummy and Daddy. So we're going to go down to Daddy's wallet, and then we're going to enter the public key of Mummy's. So on the Android, we're going to go to addresses, display extended public key. That is Mummy's public key, and then I'm pretty sure we can use this to take a picture. Like that. And then we're going to do the opposite on Mummy's. So on Mummy's, we're going to add a multi-sig wallet. This is going to be called our child. 2 cosigners, 2 signatures. Select the wallet Mummy and then enter the public key. So we need Daddy's public key. Display public key, scan that. Now if we load up child on both wallets and go to their addresses, the addresses are the same. So finally we would want to send our money to our child that's been stored in the multi-sig wallet, and this is where we have a problem. The Minotaur wallet has an error message between Android or Mac somewhere, but I've written in the Discord channel about it, but this is what you would do. So Billy's wallet is here. I want to send it to Billy. I go to get Billy's public address, and then I'm going to go on to the multi-sig wallet on Mummy's phone. We're going to send to the receiver address, which is Billy's wallet there. We're going to send 0.5. We would click send. Then it opens up this box. We would put in the password for Mummy's multi-sig wallet and create the commitment. Then we would go on to Daddy's multi-sig wallet, go on to the send icon, and we go to the multi-sig communication page. Now here you would go, this is what you should do, go on to copy data to clipboard, then click on the clipboard up here, put in the wallet password for Daddy's multi-sig wallet and create the commitment. This is where it bugs out, because this should create the commitment and then give us the chance to copy data to the clipboard on Daddy's side, and then on Mummy's phone should be able to do the same, and then you'd be able to confirm the transaction. But unfortunately it looks like Minotaur has some sort of bug that stops this from happening, because this is not letting me do anything, and it's been really annoying me for the past quite a few hours actually. So that's where we have to end this video, but that's the final process for the transaction to go through. It's actually really simple, really easy to do. You need 2 devices, and it needs to not be buggy, but that's pretty much it. Please vote for me.